We have compiled the 10 best schools in Rajasthan. We will start from 10th position to the first one. Hope this video gives some value to your time. On our 10th position is St. Mary's in Mount Abu. St. Mary's High School is a private Catholic school located in the oasis of Mount Abu in the Aravalli range of Rajasthan. The school is operated by the Irish Christian Brothers, and it falls under the Roman Catholic Diocese of Ajmer. Due to the cold climate, the scholastic year usually runs from March to November. Education begins from grade 4 and ends at grade 10 with a centralized ICSE board exam. Students come from various parts of the country and the world to be part of the school's renowned culture and history of producing promising products for the future. The school opened in 1887 as Mount Abu Railway School. Upon takeover by the Christian Brothers in 1929, it was renamed St. Mary's. The school is situated away from the city, surrounded by jungle, and as such provides a calm environment for the students. It has a dam close by known as the Lower Kodra Dam. For sporting activities, the school has 6 football pitches, 3 volleyball courts, and 4 basketball courts. It also has a swimming pool. Maharani Gayatri Devi Girls' School, the first public school in India for girls, today has a formidable reputation. The school is located in the heart of the city of Jaipur in Rajasthan. It attracts pupils from all parts of the country and abroad. It is affiliated to the CBSE. With its motto "Our utmost for the highest," the school strives towards excellence in academic and co-curricular spheres of education, grooming young women to discover their potential and contribute to society as responsible citizens. The school follows the Central Board for Secondary Education CBSE curriculum. The campus consists of buildings, gardens, lawns, sports fields, tennis courts, a stadium cum auditorium, and a swimming pool. The annual fee is around 4 lakhs. The Sagar School is a thriving co-educational boarding CBSE school located on a picturesque 160 acres campus in Ajmer district. The undulating green landscape has more than 2,500 beautiful flowering trees, over 10,000 shrubs, and fruit orchards. With world-class facilities, an excellent teacher-student, the school has students from over 20 states of India and other countries including Nepal, Nigeria, Russia, South Korea, and UAE, studying in classes 4 to 12. The Sagar School is one of India's leading schools. Academic results consistently place the Sagar School among the top schools in India. The provision for arts, music, dance, and drama is exceptional, and the school's sporting prowess is well renowned. The Sagar School is a co-educational CBSE affiliated boarding school. The annual fee of the Sagar School is around 5 lakhs. Modi School is an exclusive girls' English medium residential school from classes 3 to 12 affiliated to the CBSE, New Delhi. It also offers the IB Diploma program, affiliated to IB Geneva, Switzerland for classes 11 and 12, and the CIE, an international examination board, in grades 3 to 8. Established in 1989 by Sri Rajendra Prasad Modi, it provides a supportive environment for its students to fulfill their potential as individuals and as contributors to society. The school brings together students from all over the country. Almost all the states are represented within the student body, which encompasses a variety of languages and cultures. Learning to live and work together in such a diverse community can be a powerful experience for young people and one that can help to promote open-mindedness and understanding. Thus, the school has forever been committed to weaving the international dimension into its curricular fabric. Sanskrit is compulsory up to class 8 along with the option of a third language from among French, German, and Japanese. The annual fee of Modi School is around 5 lakhs. Birla International School, Kishangarh, a Birla Education Trust, Pilani institution is located on Jaipur-Ajmer Highway. Birla International School, Kishangarh, was established in June 2010 and is affiliated to CBSE. The school is cuddled in a lush green campus spread across 48 acres. The school is well connected by road, rail and airways with other parts of India. The nearest railway station is Kishangarh. The school is also approachable from the Jaipur International and Kishangarh airports. They follow the latest and the ultramodern pedagogy that focuses on child-centric education. To implement this, they reinforce learning by creating a healthy ambience that is perfected by personal attention according to different learning requirements. They believe in the experiential learning method wherein the students are taught in well-equipped classrooms with audio and visual aids as well as smart boards with digital contents tailored to suit their requirements. At BISK, the role of a teacher spreads beyond the classroom and sports field. Every student is assigned to a personal mentor teacher who ensures the much required personal attention to the child and takes care of the emotional and psychological needs of the child. Thus, every teacher has a small number of 10 students as mentees, and through the system of mentorship, they ensure personalized attention for the students. The mentor guides the mentee with the choice of hobby, games and sports, helps him to identify the strengths and counsels to overcome the challenges. Thus, the mentors record the minutest details of the child's personal growth in every area, be in academics, sports, hobby, or soft skills. All such details are shared periodically with the parents to help them monitor and visualize the growing up of their ward, even while being miles away. The annual fees of the school is around 6 lakhs. Mayo College Girls' School, Ajmer was founded by Mayo College in August 1988. The school is purely residential and the medium of instruction is English. It is a recognized member of the Indian Public Schools Conference. Comprising of classes 4 to 12, the school is affiliated to the Council of Indian School Certificate Examinations. At the Class 11 and 12 level, school offers a choice of 3 streams: humanities, commerce, science. Along with a compulsory English paper, the student must opt for at least 4 or 5 subjects from the stream she has chosen. After the final examinations, a midterm educational trip is organized, which is mandatory for all students to attend. Students are taken to various parts of the country. Students also travel to different parts of India and abroad to take part in competitions such as Indian Public School Conference events and Round Square conferences. There are student exchange programs with schools in the UK and Australia. The annual fees of the school is around 7 lakhs. The premises of Birla School, Pilani have nurtured hundreds of students in its celebrated history of 119 years. It is the utmost conviction of the paternities in its values that make it a boarding school second to none in the noble field of education. The school was established long back upon the strong values of the Indian traditional Gurukul system and continues to live up to the expectations of all its stakeholders. Its founders had envisioned a school that will not only cater to the needs of its students but also creates out of responsible and utilitarian citizens. Its alumni in its long span constitute of some of the finest bureaucrats, political leaders, sportsmen, scientists, and innumerable talented individuals who have proved their worth as assets for the growth and development of the nation. Being a part of Birla School, Pilani means living on a shared commitment to academic excellence, intellectual growth, arts, athletics, high standards of principled awareness, sportsmanship, and community service. The school boasts of its rich heritage and varied culture. Intuition and array are added to each student's life by the school's traditions and accessibility to an inclusive curriculum. The lush green, pollution-free campus provides the best possible ambience for academic and co-curricular activities. It is divided artistically and thematically into various blocks, designed for maximum suitability and efficacy of the students. The hostel blocks constitute a separate section providing opportunities to the learners for their all-round development within the secure precincts of the campus. Birla School provides provision for all the amenities and infrastructure. It is always striving incessantly towards its objective of the composed and all-inclusive education for the student community. The annual fee is around 6 lakhs. Mayo College is a boys-only independent boarding school in Ajmer, Rajasthan. It was founded in 1875 by Richard Burke, the sixth Earl of Mayo, who was the Viceroy of India from 1869 to 1872. This makes it one of the oldest public boarding schools in India. Students come from all parts of India and neighboring countries and live harmoniously in age-diverse and culturally diverse boarding houses. The emphasis is on being outdoors, education through exploration, interdisciplinary teaching, and teaching beyond the classroom. Boys are groomed to be independent, doers, enablers, collaborators, team players, and leaders. The students live on campus in a non-air-conditioned environment and grow to become resilient. The focus is on holistic all-round development and not on rote learning for examinations. The school follows the Indian National Board, CBSE. The annual fee of Mayo College is around 7 lakhs. Birla Balika Vidyapeeth has its genesis as the girls' boarding school in 1941, a humble philanthropic mission to educate the girls of the freedom fighters. It began with just about 40 students and 5 teachers, helmed under the visionary leadership and acumen of Srimati Devaki Amma. The school had its unique distinction of being a progressive institution of learning, imparting quality education steeply rooted in Indian cultural ethos and values with its myriad co-curricular activities like NCC band, sports, athletics, classical Indian dances, art, music, home sciences. The school since its inception blazed new trails of excellence in consonance with the changing educational scenario and national aspirations as well. The inception of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth as a girls' school, under the aegis of Birla Education Trust, was a miracle in itself as it spearheaded a virtual revolution in school education. The profound reason for its existence was schools for girls did not exist then. In 1952, Birla Balika Vidyapeeth became a member of the elite IPSC group. Thus began a journey of experiential learning, specializing in education for girls. BBV sets precedent for tomorrow's benchmarks in Indian school education world. Mentoring young minds, BBV blends the traditional values with a scientific and progressive pedagogy. Their unique green campus spread over 27 acres in the intellectually resonating pulsating campus of Birla Institute of Technology and Science, BITS, is an ideal setup for nurturing our girls. The academic ethos of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth entails learning that necessitates total involvement of the mind, body, and soul of the student. With a vision to make the scholars world leaders, BBV adapted its curriculum to achieve its goal. The school has an intellectually pulsating ambience where the girls are encouraged to develop independent critical thinking, analytical skills, and a keen mindset for leadership in their chosen field of interest. With its students coming from the length and breadth of the country, the school inculcates a feeling of camaraderie, unity in diversity. BBV pioneers in grooming its pupils to make them excel in all walks of life. Apart imparting quality in the scholastic domain and life skills, students are motivated to take part in sports, art, and community services so as to instill in them an unstinting quest for finesse. The annual fee at BBV is around 4 lakhs. Shishu Mandir, which was later rechristened as Vidya Niketan, which now is also known as Birla Public School, was founded by the Birla Educational Trust in 1944 under the guidance of Dr. Maria Montessori, the world-acclaimed pioneer in child education. The architectural design of the junior section campus of the school bears testimony to the great visionary, Madame Maria Montessori's understanding of the specific needs of the growing children and her sense of aestheticism. In 1953, the school was granted membership of the Indian Public School Conference. School updates the knowledge of teachers through comprehensive workshops and training programs. Birla Education Trust also offers enrichment courses for teachers. The school is granted autonomy by CBSE to design its own curriculum, examinations, and evaluation process for class 10th in science and mathematics. The Birla Public School, with an autonomous status, brings new initiatives, more enterprising, and more innovative experiments and programs to meet students' aspirations more effectively at all levels. The school has developed a curriculum management system capable of making the necessary structural and pedagogic changes to keep pace with the needs of the students. At Birla Public School, they realize the growing importance of fostering global competence among the students. The school has integrated international learning into the school curriculum to ensure that the school produces 21st century ready global leaders. Global tours and teacher and student exchange programs are an integral part of the school curriculum. Global tours to many countries like France, Spain, Vatican City, Switzerland, Singapore, Malaysia, Italy, Thailand, Germany, Austria, and the United States are organized to give our students international exposure and thus cultivate global competence or international understanding. The school was given International School Award by British Council last year for the successful integration of international learning into the school curriculum. School students successfully worked on some projects in collaboration with other countries. These projects had the approval of the British Council. BPS is a member of Round Square Conference, and teachers and students attend and host international conferences aimed at inculcating global competence among students. One of the unique features of Birla Public School is that it is a fully residential boys' school. School believes that in a residential school, it is possible to shape the personality of students on the desired lines. At Birla Public School, they help every boy to develop to his potential. The progress and behavior pattern of the boys is monitored meticulously, and remedial help is given where necessary. Diversified activities on offer ensure all-round development of the personality of our students. Sports and games are an integral part of the school curriculum. The school has playgrounds and courts for soccer, hockey, basketball, handball, volleyball, squash, tennis, and cricket, besides a boxing ring, artificial climbing wall, archery range, and gymnasium. The school has an impressive record in IPSC football, swimming, handball, boxing, and skating, and yoga competitions. A significant number of students are chosen for SGFI and CBSE nationals. The handball team has major achievements in international handball competitions to its credit. The annual fee at BPS is around 6 lakhs. Thanks for watching. See you in some other video.